I know it has been a very long, long time, but today I wanted to introduce you guys to this new broker that I recently started. I just recently started using it. I've been using it to practice my strategies, and I just want to show you guys where I think I took a month or 2 months off trading because two things were happening that I didn't like. With IQ Cent, they were logging me out. What the hell? I'm sorry, the noise in the background, guys. I'm at home and I'm outside. But so they were doing two things that I didn't like. One, when I enter a trade, and before the trade closes, I realized like I would be kicked out of the system, and it was happening continuously. I'm sure in my last couple of videos, you guys are seeing that I've been kicked out of the trade and stuff like that. And I was like, no, I gotta change my broker. And then the next thing that was happening was that, say I was trading and you know the payout was 85%, they would kick me out and then change the payout to 60%. So even though I entered the trade, I'd be paying out 85%, it would close at me winning with 60%, and I didn't like that. And I realized that it was becoming a recurring problem. I withdrew all of my money, all of my different trading accounts, every dollar I had from IQSend, I withdrew. And I saw everybody posting pocket options, and I'm like, I've never heard of pocket options. Well, I've heard of it, but I've never tried it. And then I tried it. I had some success, but I haven't really invested to say this is gonna be my new trading platform. But this is just a new way for me, a new practice. So I'm on their demo account. I've been practicing a new strategy. I'm gonna give you guys the sauce, but I recently started using the Heikanashi candles, and I realized that Pocket Option has a lot of different things. They have OTC trading over the weekend. They have crypto, commodities, and stocks, and all of that. I prefer stocks, to be honest. I've heard about indices. I've never tried it before, but I gotta say, no, these people are annoying me now with this jackhammer. Yeah, I've got to say that I've been pretty successful with the stock so far. I'm not gonna lie, applying the same forex principles and everything. It's the same type of market, but the only difference is I use Heikin-Ashi candles because Heikin-Ashi candles takes a lot of noise of the market. Say for example, if I should switch to candles, you see it. You're not sure what's happening. You understand? There's a lot of different changes. Where if you should switch to Higanashi now, it tells you the trend of the market. It's more solid trends. You understand? You can basically see, the solid trends. So that is my reason for using the Higanashi candles. I said, I've had a lot of success with it so far. I'm gonna start an account soon. As soon as I wrap up the strategy, it's going good so far. This is a demo account, guys. So I do have a main account, but I'm not showing you guys. I can see it's a new. My account says newbie because I've recently just started on this broker. But yeah, I just want to let you know, guys, that this is a good broker. Now let me get into my strategy. Um, I probably have to go start over this video because this jackhammer is annoying, and I know I'm gonna hear it in the background. But as you can see, this is AUD CAD OTC, but as you can see, it still follows market structure. We can start from up here. We can see that it went into a downtrend. If you should draw a trend line, if you should draw a trend line from here, you can still see that it's actually a trending market. See, it's a trend. Still comes down, and if you can see that it's following structure as well. It's from all the way. It goes down, retraces up, goes down, confuses the buyers and sellers a little bit right here. But as you can see, it came back up to this point right? You can also see that this is a triangle as well. Horizontal line. You can see that this is a triangle. See that? So it depends on how you want to trade it. It's a triangle. You can see it's a contracting triangle. It's going down. It broke, retest, and it took it down. So anywhere you want to trade it, that's fine. But you can see this is the flag. This is the pole. This is the flag itself. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, down, retest, boom. If you want to trade it like that. Now, if you want to trade it as in a downtrend, you can look at it as this. Up, comes back down to here, comes back up to here, test this level. Broke this level right here, retest this area twice because it broke out here, came back, broke again, came back, took off. This area came back up to this previous level right here. This area right here, between here and here, down, broke again, come down, still breaking, come back up and test the previous level, which is right here. Then it broke again, come down, retest this area right here again. If we're doing wicks, you can see it still retested that area, broke again, and now it came back all the way up. So as you can see, guys, that's just how you can trade the downtrend. Now indicators I've been using, I've been using the Keltner channel. It basically tells when the market is over. So I've been using the MACD. Just to basically show you, let me see if I can show you the settings. 200 EMA tells which way the market is going, uptrend or downtrend. My moving average of 50 EMA. I have 2 EMA and I have the Keltner. The Keltner is on it's on the default settings. But let me just explain my strategy to you guys. So this white line here, right? This white line is the 50 EMA, right? Now let me zoom in a little bit. Now, as I said, I switched to Heikin-Ashi candles for a reason. They tell the trend of the market, right? You realize that this is, just pointing out something, this is a resistance area. You see how much time the candle came up there? It's still moving in a downtrend. So what it did was it came back to respect this previous level right here. I'm forcing its way back down, but let's not get into that. Yeah, where was I? Yeah, I was saying, the Heikin-Ashi candles really tell you the momentum of the market. You understand? It tells you the trend. Now, what I'm gonna show you is very simple. This is the 50 and this is the 2 EMA. Whenever you see these cross, if the yellow line is crossing down, we sell. If it's crossing up, we buy. You understand? It happens quite a few times. As you can see, it's crossing up, we buy. And we do this for only 30 seconds. Alright, guys? So this is a 30-second strategy. Right? We're using a 1-minute candle. And this is a 30-second strategy. Right? So this is just the introduction to it, guys. I'm going to do a video to show you how it actually works to master it. The MACD helps you. The MACD gives the cross before this happens. This is a bad example because this might be the cross a long time, but when the crosses are close or at the exact same time, that's a go-to. If you know what I'm saying. See if I can find one more. It happens a lot on the stocks more than the actual forex market, but it's a good strategy you can apply to any time frame. But the best one, see the both cross right here. This is a perfect example. I'm not gonna find out that one. The both cross, perfect example. That's 1 minute going up. 30 seconds going up. So you would have already cleared that trend because these are 1 minute candles. See this candle open, When dub close right here, you would already won that trade. So when they cross both times, that's it. You can take it before, say it crosses right here and then it crosses up here. Still a good signal. So I'm gonna do a video tomorrow to iron it out for you because this video is too long. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you.